In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your Pinterest account. You can permanently disable your Pinterest account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Pinterest. On your profile page, tap on this settings icon right here. Then tap on the option of privacy and data. Scroll down and select the option of delete your data and account. To delete your Pinterest account, all your data including pins and boards will get deleted permanently and you will no longer get access to your account. Tap on continue and you'll have to verify through email. Then your account will get deleted. That's how easy it is to permanently delete your Pinterest account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.